Oh, how cute. This is Pretty Precious Piper sleeping on her throne. And she has that plush doll next to her. Yeah, I see you there. You watching me, huh? You watching me? Aw, I think she's trying to sleep. This just looks so cute. Yeah, you always look so cute. Look at, she's all cuddled next to it. And she looks like a long loaf, like maybe French bread or something. Look at that. Yep. She has her tail curled right around her, so she's doing a really nice loaf right now. Oh, she looks so peaceful. You look peaceful, baby, huh? Are you taking a little nippy nap? Well, I guess I'll let her get back to her nap now. But it sure is cute.